Dylan Austin Walker, an American young man who has been living in China for 6 years, says China's pandemic prevention and control measures are based on a people-centered approach that prioritizes people's lives.
If you're going to deal with the problem, that for China's unique situation, this is the only way from that time that it can be dealt with. You have here this people-centered approach and putting the people's lives and health above everything else as a way of governance and a policy.
Walker says that China's dynamic zero-COVID approach, which has proven to be highly effective, has prevented millions of infections and saved millions of lives.
I think also one of the biggest human rights is you have the freedom and the right to be safe, to be healthy. And it shows that the government cares. The government cares about its people. The government wants the people to be safe. It's a big responsibility that the Chinese government has, just with the sheer size of this country and the massive population that we have here, that if you did otherwise, it's unimaginable to think of how many people would have gotten sick, how many people could have died, as a result of contracting this virus. It's a lot better than letting the virus run free and now having, millions of people infected, 1 million people dead. And it's sad to see, in the US and other countries, this whole kind of like divide